Hey guys, today we're going to be looking at James version 2.0, and essentially he's an assistant that can do a plethora of things for you. He can read your emails, he can send emails, he can do a bunch of different things in your calendar, and he can do it all through Telegram. So if that sounds pretty cool, let's get started. So you can see here the workflow that I've created for James here. He has a plethora of tools he can utilize. It's all done through a Telegram trigger that goes through a switch. It gets transcribed via ChatGPT, goes into the Ultimate Assistant, which has an system prompt here. It's relatively specific and it gives examples on how the actual model works. And then from there, it utilizes a plethora of tools to get that done. Additionally, it has a window memory buffer. So it can memorize things or remember things that you've asked it before. And it can help you search up specific things utilizing SERPA API, which directly integrates with Google search. So that's all and cool, but let's go ahead and show you a demo of how it actually functions. So I've got James up here. I'm going to go ahead and clear the chat. Hey, James, how are you doing today? You can see here it's going to work through here, and it's going to find an n8n model, and it's going to go ahead and send me a message back. I'm just a virtual assistant. I don't have feelings, but I'm here to help you with anything you need. So in this case, we'll go ahead and ask James to help us then. All right, James, I need you to go ahead and send us a draft an email to CEO@solvent.life regarding a meeting that I had yesterday. Essentially, we had a meeting regarding the builds that we were building for Solvent GPT, and I want to make sure that Jennifer gets updated on the overall workflow for next week. Let's go ahead and test the workflow. That's quite a relatively complicated question to ask, but it's going to go ahead and transcribe it all. It's going to create a draft, and it's going to hopefully give us a response. And there we go. He's created the draft for us. Can I go ahead and see that draft, please? So utilizing the memory function, it's going to go ahead and grab that draft back, and it's going to give it to us in actual output. Sure. Can I go ahead and see the draft before you send it off, please? There we go. So there is the draft before it's even sent off. I don't even have to go into my email. I can just utilize Telegram and my voice to get this kind of done here. So you can see that the subject is the update on the meeting regarding the Solvent GPT builds. Hi, Jennifer. Just wanted to update you on the meeting that we had, and it's signing off with your name. So in the actual internal prompt, we can change it to always sign off with Antonio, which is my name. But in this case, I've just done this so I can show you that I can edit directly into the draft just with my voice. So that looks all in great. Can you just go ahead and say, after best regards, just change your name with Antonio, please? Just gonna have to go into here. It's crafting the draft for us. Okay. It's signed with Antonio. Fantastic. Let's go ahead and send that off then, please. Awesome. So let's go ahead and check. Sent. And we can see that it has indeed been sent to Jennifer. In this case, me. So I can go ahead and see it. Hi, Jennifer. Just want to update you on the meeting we had yesterday concerning the Solvent GPT builds. We discussed the current status of the workflow for the up and coming week. Let me know if you need more information. Signed off, Antonio. So pretty cool. It can make emails for you. It can draft emails for you. But what else can it do for you? So I wanted to kind of manage my calendar. So I've given it a bunch of these tools here, as you can see, to update events, delete events, get events, create events, create an event with an attendee, and grab contacts. Now, this is normally done through Airtable, and these are done through Google Drive as well as Google Calendar. So you can see it automatically, it'll grab my events from CEO Solvent Life, which is my work email, and it'll automatically understand if I have any availability. So let's go ahead and see and first ask, what does my calendar kind of look like for today? I should have one event normally. It needs to grab my events, come back pretty quickly. And I can see they had a meeting with a specific design studio this morning to create a promo video. Fantastic. So it managed to read that and to give it to me so I can go ahead and see exactly what I need to do today without having to go into my Gmail or with going into my calendar. Let's go ahead and create an event with a specific user. So in this case, I'm just going to utilize one of my colleagues as an example. I need you to create an event tomorrow at 4 p.m. with Sam Roth. His email is sam@solvent.life, and we're going to be talking about the new artificial intelligence systems that we're going to be building and selling to our B2B clients. So you can see here it's going through. It's utilizing its window buffer memory. So error. Okay. Could you confirm that Sam's email address is correct? Yeah, that's correct. So what happened here was it was just double checking with me. So this is a human in the loop feature, and it just basically double checked that I was sending it to the correct email before going ahead and sending that event off. Because what it will do is also send an email to that recipient so they also get the invite. So now it's gone ahead and done so. Discussion on artificial intelligence systems from 4 to 5 p.m. with Sam Roth. Fantastic. And then the Google Calendar link is just right there. We can click it. But we can see here. Let's see. Conversation right there. Actually, wait, no, let's just go into the Google Calendar link. Open. All right. So now we can go ahead and see, after clicking that link, discussion for our new artificial intelligence systems tomorrow, Friday, 4 to 5 p.m. with Sam Roth. And it's gone ahead and added his email in there automatically and sent it off to him. So that's pretty cool. You can do a lot of different things. You can utilize the internet as well to search up specific functions. If you wanted to find you restaurants around your current location, it can do so as well. It has a plethora of use cases. So it's just a very, very, very powerful tool that you can kind of utilize. If you want to get these types of tools as well, you can just click the link in the description below. You can pop this into n8n and you can utilize it as well and just connect up all of your specific credentials. So that's pretty much all of it for me today. This is a relatively interesting update for James version 2.0 for the assistants. But if you want to see more like this, just give me a like and join my school down below if you want more information like this and more in-depth content of how to build this step by step. Thanks again, guys. See you later.